Hi, dwellers! Click and subscribe!
This is my lab. I keep a lock on it.
Ooh.
I'm so happy. I'm too happy right now.
Yes.
Today I'm starting my YouTube channel on SIJWELL Lab. Make sure to follow, like, and subscribe and comment because I can't wait for you to follow me on my science journey. Let's start. Ready then?
Yes. So what is your first experiment?
My first experiment is an erupting volcano.
Okay.
Gloves! Yeah, we saw this thing and we were like, oh, our gloves! So we got them. So I got my citric acid. It hardens up. Don't add water. This thing will just fuzz all the way up and there will be no more citric acid. Being a scientist is kind of like hard because you have to do the exact thing. Okay, look, we finished. Guys, when they said red food coloring, I wanted to do yellow and red so I can make it artistic. That's what I like about science. You can use art and science.
Art and science.
So, guys, and then now we're going to use our sample spoon. Okay, and then our stirring water. Pour the mixture into the volcano crater. Guys, I'm going to mix it. Mix it up and now pour it into the volcano. And now, guys, we need to put our food coloring. Yeah, one drop. Yeah. Shake it. This thing is stained if after you use it. It's stained. 2. One more. 3. I'm going to use yellow. 2. This thing is going to be nice. I never knew science is this hard. Wait. This is good. The stir well. Stir well. Mix it well. It's okay if it's in clump because this is also like water with like some things. Okay. Ready? Let's open it. Pour the water. Moments of truth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's actually like a volcano. Oh my god. This is so cool. It's actually an exploding volcano. Guys, I'm gonna see what happens if it's done exploding and we add water.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. But that was awesome!
I thought we done make a big explosion.
But don't worry, it's like a volcano. And so when a volcano explodes, after water comes, it's like, do you know those rocks? It like forms into rock. So it's kind of like this. It stops exploding into. Let me show you inside. So it's like.
Ooh, that's so cool.
Is that what's inside a volcano? I wish.
I'm sure that is really cool though.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to join our next experiment. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like so you can see some more.
Yeah.
Bye. My first experiment was a success. A big success. Bye, lab, and bye everybody that watched my video. Yeah.
Then.
Let's go.